Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro, USD and GBP USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the chart of Euro USD in front of us. As we all know that Euro USD is under the dominance of sellers, things are not very positive for Euro USD as well as GBP USD. You can see here dollar supported by a hawkish Fed. Hawkish comments Friday from several policymakers gave the dollar a boost. Also, Friday's better than expected US manufacturing PMI news was bullish for the dollar. The dollar was undercut Friday by stock market gains, which reduced liquidity demand for the dollar. And this is the chart of the dollar, and as we all know that DXY is an uptrend, very bullish for the last couple of days. DXY ultimately closed at 105.58. If we look at the chart, then yes, technically there is no doubt the market is an uptrend, and in fact the fundamental factors are also pushing the dollar towards the upside. You can see here Euro USD remains under selling pressure near 1.0650. ECB chief economist Philip Lane said on early Friday that inflation above 2% is costly for the economy and that central banks attempt to control inflation over the medium term. ECB is expected to end its hiking cycle and will stay on hold until at least July next year. According to economists in a Reuters poll, it's worth recalling that ECB raised its key interest rate to a record high of 4% on September 14. This in turn might drag the euro lower against the greenback. So overall, the market sentiment is not positive for Euro USD, and as a result, you need to plan your trades accordingly. This is the Forex sentiment meter, and as we all know, the Forex sentiment meter shows the position of the retail traders. So you can see here 80% retail traders have taken buy position on Euro USD and they are trapped right now. On the chart of GBPUSD, 90% retail traders have taken sell position and they are trapped right now. And this is happening only because if you are not following the trend of the market. So my dear friends, if you are holding a buy position on Euro USD or GBPUSD, try to exit at retracement, because if we look at the market, then further downside possible. And if we respect the trend of the market, then yes, on the chart of Euro USD and GBPUSD, sell on rise seems to be the best trading strategy because the market sentiment is very much bearish. So at first, let's look at the chart of DXY. So as I said, DXY is technically bullish. Market is an uptrend. There is no doubt about it. But if we look at the present trend of DXY, then my dear friends, we can see that DXY is slowly losing momentum. Okay, DXY is losing momentum, and to continue the upside, DXY needs to cross 106. This is the level DXY needs to cross to break the present trend here, to break the present range of the market. Okay, and if DXY fails to break 106 level, then there's a high chance that DXY will remain sideways for the next 1 or 2 days. And the reason is that, see, technically market is an uptrend and fundamentally the market is an uptrend, but we can see that slowly market is losing momentum. But the problem is that for a trend reversal, we need the backing of a fundamentals, and right now we have no fundamentals that will be pushing dollar towards the downside. So in this case, or in this situation, there's a high chance that if DXY loses momentum, then obviously there will not be trend reversal, but market will go sideways, and 106 will be the top and 104.6 will be the bottom. This will be the range of DXY. And if DXY really wants to continue the upside, wants to continue the bull run, then it will have to break 106 level. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Enough talk about DXY. Now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. So Euro dollar, my dear friends, Euro dollar has been respecting our levels for quite some time, and to be honest, this is not a good sign right now. Okay. In our previous videos, we discussed that we can go for a sell position when the market will reverse from the previous support that will be acting as resistance, and market has tested a level many times. So my dear friends, try to be careful. Next time, do not take a sell position around 1.0675 1.0680 level. That can be a little bit scary. Okay, so where we have the next selling opportunity, then trend of the market is towards the downside, so sell on rise or sell at resistance is the best and the safe trading strategy, isn't it? So your first selling opportunity on the chart of Euro USD will be around 1.0720 to 1.0725. Why? You can see the 100 moving average will be there, and along with that the previous resistance will also be present. The previous high will act as resistance. If we combine both the factors here, around 1.0720 1.0725, we have the next selling opportunity. As market has tested 1.0675 level many times, so it is better to avoid right now. If market goes up and reverses, we can look for a sell. Right now I'm analyzing the market on 4 hours time frame. Confirmation on 4 hours time frame is very slow. Once you see that market has entered the zone, you simply switch to 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame to observe the market behavior. Once you see the market is reversing, you can click on the sell button. So this is the first resistance where we can look for a sell, and the second resistance is around 1.0770. 1.0770, the 200 moving average will be there, okay, by Monday, Tuesday. Along with that, the previous resistance is there, and moreover we also have the previous support acting as resistance. 1.0770 is a nice level, or technically a strong resistance where we have good sellers and we can expect a reversal from there. And considering the market sentiment, yes, sell on rise seems to be the best trading strategy. Just like the resistance of 1.0675, okay, market has already been testing the support level, the temporary support level, so it is better to avoid right now. Let the market be out of the range so that we can get a proper direction. And in case by Monday or Tuesday, if you see Euro USD going down, you can also look for a sell below 1.0610 as well. But try to avoid any sell position below this level, especially during the Asian and European session, because for a breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important. If volume is missing, then it may lead to a false breakout. Okay. But by the US session or by Tuesday, if you see that Euro USD is weak, it is going down with big red candles, then it means that volume is also present and you can look for a sell. Okay, so we can go for a sell here, we can go for a sell here, and we can also go for a sell here. So 3 selling opportunities on the chart of Euro USD, and this level is also present, 1.0675, where we have been selling for the last 1 or 2 days. But it is better to avoid right now because market has already tested it many times. But on Monday, if you see, especially during the European and Asian session, if you see the market is reversing, you can try to look for a quick sell position for 20 pips, not more than that. Be careful. Okay, so this is all about Euro USD. If I have missed anything, you can write down in the comment section. I would love to learn. On the other hand, GBPUSD is falling. There is no doubt. GBPUSD is not in a range like Euro dollar. There's a free fall going on. If you have a sell position, enjoy the ride. Further downside possible. But if you're holding a buy position, my dear friend, okay, you are doing a big mistake. Try to exit once the market will show some recovery, because sometimes we think that how can I book the loss because I'll be having a great loss. Okay, but we forget that if you do not exit at the right time, there's a high chance of losing the capital. So if you have a buy position on GBPUSD or Euro USD, try to exit once the market will show some temporary recovery. On the chart of GBPUSD, okay, opportunities are very less. If you the cable GBPUSD shows some upside, and if you see that GBPUSD again reverses from 1.2300 around this area, you can look for a sell. Otherwise, the next selling opportunity on GBPUSD is around 1.2360, 1.2350. 1.2360, 1.2350. If you're a lover of GBP USD, then you must remember that 1.236050 was the previous support for the market. So the same support will be acting as resistance, and along with that, you can also see that we have a trend line coming from the top acting as dynamic resistance. If we combine both the factors, 2360, 2350, that particular level seems to be a good place of sellers. If market reverses, we can look for a sell. And if you are having a buy position, then try to exit your buy. You try to exit from the long position around this area. Okay, so these are the two selling opportunities on the chart of GBP USD. The first selling opportunity will be around 1.2300. It's not a very strong level, it's a weak level, but the market sentiment is bearish, so we can expect some selling opportunity. Otherwise, 1.2360, 1.2350 seems to be a better zone to take a sell position if market reverses. You need to follow the similar strategy. Simply switch to the lower time frame, 15 minutes or hourly time frame, and just observe the market behavior. If market reverses, if market shows price rejection from above, you'll get the confirmation that yes, our beloved sellers are present, and you can look for a sell position. And if you already have a sell, enjoy the ride. Nothing much to discuss. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. This is my analysis on Euro, Dollar, and GBP USD. Hopefully you guys liked it. And this is my analysis. Please do your own analysis, because if you want to become independent, then yes, having your own point of view, own analysis is very, very important. I can be wrong as well. There is no 100% accuracy. So please follow proper risk management. Risk management is above all. Okay, bye bye, take care, have fun, enjoy the weekend, give some time to your friends and family. Okay, bye.